Hey guys and gals, it's Amanda with Mettle Modern Design coming to you live tonight on behalf of Essential Stencil. Friends, tonight I've got for you some staining inspiration. We're going to use some transfers, we're going to use some stencils. We're going to do fall crafting tonight. We're going to try to save a board that I didn't love that I created during the stain clinic. Talk about your embarrassing moment. You've got people paying you to teach you how to stain and you've got a piece you don't love. I'm going to show you how to save that. Let's see, what else? I've just got some fun for you tonight. So hop on, say hello. If you're watching us on replay, type replay. Your comments will get you entered into a chance to win a free gift card to Essential Stencil tonight. They'll be gifting away 3 of those. If you don't follow me, my name's Amanda Dillon. I own Mettle Modern Design. I'm a coastal crafter, glass and resin artist, sign maker from Navarre, Florida. Let me show you this surface I'm thinking I want to use for this truck. So I'm going to snip this bottom off and pull locations that it's going to fit better, okay? And lay it down smoothly. Just going to smooth it with my hand. Just grab our burnishing tool, something where I could add some glass and resin. I'm just kind of going over this whole piece a little bit. We'll pull it up and see how it's going. If I hit any resistance, then I'm just going to lay it back down. Little tiny resistance there. Did a good job of burnishing. But there it is. Just how quick and easy was that? Make sure it's nice and smooth with my hand. And then I just take my little fine grit sander and I just go right over it. You know? And so there we go. Just super quick and easy. Great way to create something super fast. Piece. And like, I'm done. I need to step away. That's the point I was at. So I do have this spooky tree, and I think that might be the winner because I am notorious for moving something with my hand. Now, pick up some paint and offload this, and I'm just going to come down. So some of this is already how that turns out. Stencil on that bat. We're going to get this tree. I think I was telling that your eye is now, because it doesn't have anything else to focus on, that the whole piece will come together. So if you've got something that's a little imperfect, you get the whole piece put together. And I did bump that again. Let's see if this helped it come together. I do think it kind of helped it come together. And so there we go. Now let's see this larger Chartreuse one. You guys, this ends up being one of my favorite boards for this season, which is Brew Coffee Company. I kind of like that. I'm just going to see how this one looks. I'm just going to use that same black paint. I do love this board. To get used to the new sounds of the new space, and it was storming last night. We've got a roll-up door, and so I think the wind was kind of rolling against the roll-up door. It's making all kinds of stenciling brushes. That might be something you would want to invest in. I do feel like that is something that is helpful without going over the edge. I've got quite a large brush I'm using right now. Okay, there we go. It's a little busy, but I don't hate it. All right, pull out some gloves and a sponge, the little coffee cup. I'm gonna have to go to the other Dollar Tree and try to find some more of those tomorrow. Do our edges. Okay, now I'm not trying to make this part of my blended layer. I just wanted like a base coat resist, just You get Min-Wax water-based tintable stains at Lowe's at the pink counters where you get it tinted. Ace True Value, Menards, Sherwin-Williams. Those are generally the places you're going to find them. They do not carry them at Home Depot. Okay, I'm going to come in and grab some Chartreuse. And really, it's almost like a highlighter. Yeah. I'm just going to kind of come around. Looks like a hot mess, right? Hot mess. I'm just going to kind of blend it into the center. And what I'm just going to kind of come in the center here. Okay. Come back up with our, and it's really quite a pretty green actually. I'm going to grab some on the back where I don't have any blue blended. We'll pull it back down into our piece. Pull the blue down. Come back in with a deeper layer of blue at the end. This looks better than half. So let's pull this out and let's see what it would look like with some white. Now, I'm gonna risk it here because I haven't cleaned. So I'm gonna hold it down with my hand. I'm just gonna come in with versatility of this stuff. Even when it's 60 degrees. Classes. I think I would love that. Visit with folks. Just go on a tour of America. Wouldn't that be fun? Isn't that kind of pretty? This paint, I'm just going to stencil this down. White. Some shading, kind of like we do on the pieces that are dark. You just got this subtle background ready to add your next step. Little black set with the Chartreuse, and we just added a little coffee stencil to it. It's kind of a dark brooding sign. I did love it with just the spongy. It might be fun. We did some stain blend the piece from the trash can by just adding a stencil. Okay, just by adding a stencil. And I want you to see how different the Chartreuse looks. This is Chartreuse with black, okay? Chartreuse with black. This is Chartreuse with black and purple. Chartreuse with green. Still getting used to the bumps and sounds of the shop. Bye, friends.